Mr. and Mrs. G. Roland and Angeli Estosani! Alala po sila ay magsisimula. Let's all say mabuhay! Mabuhay ang bawang kasal! Wow! Congratulations! To Kyle Roland and Angeli. Please remain standing, ladies and gentlemen, as we call on a very special person to the hearts of our newlyweds. Of course, we should ask for more blessings from somebody upstairs. Medyo maganda pong weather natin ngayon. And we should do this through a prayer to be led by the first cousin of the bride, Ms. Carla Veronica Kanzi.